When I first heard that they were possibly going to be shutting down the slide due to repairs, my heart sank. I thought about the community and how much the aquatic community loves this slide. And one of the things that was identified was that the stairs and the landings were failing. So then, it was a real team effort. We did a lot of investigation to find if people had done this before, had done this kind of work on a slide before. And what we found out was that there weren't a lot of people in our area that had done this. So we had to do some real researching and talk to the engineer that looked at the slide originally. And he suggested we look at AAW Construction out of Stockton. If we can walk kind of into this area here, all the stairs and landings for the slide themselves were jackhammered out during the demo process, pulled away, and then new trays, new pans for the concrete were welded in, and then the concrete process. The slide itself, we've done some gel coat spots and trying to get it smooth and fast.